Hello and welcome, I'm Alexander and this is the Comfortable Car Club. This is my Citroen C5 X7 Tourer from 2010 and it has a problem. And it gets to there and it stops. Now, I have no idea what's going on. One thing that I did read online on a Peugeot forum, what they said is to try to reset the BSI, the car's internal computer, and that's what I'm going to do now. So these are the instructions. I got them off a channel called, I think, WhatTube, if my memory serves me correctly. All credit to him, because it's where I got my instructions from. So I'll link it below. Right, now the only thing left is see if this works. Bollocks. So it's a few days later and I haven't really made any headway. I did try to muck about with the fuses, but to no avail. However, after reading online that this kind of behaviour usually is consistent with a failure in the power supply. That sort of made sense because I removed the fuse and it didn't really do anything to change the behaviour of the tailgate. You know, it's still unlocked, the mechanism worked, but not the struts. So what I read is that some people also have the same thing as me. It would open until a certain point and then stop. And that's probably because the wiring is broken. And as it opens, you know, let's say it's closed like that, as it opens, you lose contact. You know, the circuit's open, so to speak. So the next step is to look the wiring loom and see if there's any broken wires. I think I want to see where the loom goes. So it goes in here, and then in there, and then into the tailgate. I do know how to remove that. I don't think I'm going to do that. You've got to remove these four covers here, these plugs, and then four screws that cover them, and then you yank everything out. Okay, this is where it all goes, pear-shaped. I've already heard one break. There's a connector. Some of the clips are broken, no problem. Thankfully, I have some reserves upstairs. Now, this seems to be a complete waste of time because the loom seems to go in here, and then it goes back into the door behind this. And in all honesty, it seems to make absolutely no difference. And I can't see much. Oh, God. Yeah, I think this spoiler's going to have to come off to get better access. At this point the sound went out of sync and it became unsalvageable, so it's just images. I decided to do a sit rep showing that I had removed the rear spoiler. I had to because the high level brake light decided to pack up once again, and I thought this time I'm going to solder the wires together. Out of curiosity I opened the rear tailgate and it was working perfectly. I was very puzzled by this, so I thought I'll just button everything up, seems to be working. As soon as I did, I tested it again and the problem persisted. The tailgate would only open about 30-ish degrees. So yeah, it was back to square one. Now I have come up with a workaround, and that is you open the boot, but don't let it open to the point where it stops working. That way it disengages. So now the boot is free. I'll have to do this for the time being. In all honesty, the next step might simply be just to remove the motorized struts and just have a regular gas struts. That might be the next move. Yeah. Now, how probable is it that it's going to happen? It's rather probable. How soon? Not very soon. I'll have to buy the struts, and that's something that I'm not looking forward to. Spending money, even more money. This car has been sucking up a lot of money recently. I'm not really in the mood to spend more. But we'll see how long it will take for me to get sick of this system. It is a workaround, so it's not perfect, and I honestly would like to have a functioning, practical boot. I mean, this is an estate after all. It's what they're for, being practical. Otherwise, I'd drive a saloon or a hatchback or something like that. So, despite this not being an actual fix, at least it will lead to a solution, hopefully. So I'm going to chalk this up as a win. Now, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. But I also wish you all, every one of you, whether you're a newcomer to the channel or if you've been here for ages, a very merry, happy Christmas. All the best to you all. Thanks very much for watching. I will leave you with some videos that you can watch on how to remove the rear spoiler. It might come in handy. And hope to see you in a future video. I bid you all farewell.